12 years and my life is still trying to get that great big hill of hope for the destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made of this brotherhood of man for whatever the mean. And so I cry sometimes when I lie in a bed. I get it all out what is in my head, and I feel a little peculiar. And so wake in the morning, I step outside, I take out that break and I get real high, and I scrape on top of my life, what's going on? And I say, hey, going on? Ooh, ooh. And I try, oh my God, I try all the time in this institution. And I pray, oh my God, to pray every single day for a revolution. And so I cry sometimes when I lie in a bed. I get it all out what is in my head, and I feel a little peculiar. And so wake in the morning, I step outside, I take a deep break and I get real high, and I scream on top of my life, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, 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 yeah. What's going on? 12 years and my life is still trying to get that great big hill of hope for the destination.